Welcome back to BarryTsGarage. I've got Frank Szymkowski here. You got the honors of Muscle Car of the Year here at Goodguys.
Yes, we did.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Now, most of the cars at Goodguys, I would say, are not stock. Mostly very highly customized, a lot of them.
Yep.
But your car isn't. Tell me about this car and how much is customized.
It's an original Warwick Blue 69 GTO Judge, 56,000 mile car, all numbers matching front to back. It came with a 4-speed, came with a push-button AM radio, the in-dash tach and gauges, the Judge, of course.
Package, right?
Power, positive traction rear axle,
right?
Covered headlights, power steering, power brakes, and white wall tires. So the only thing different, I could not put white wall tires back on.
Yeah, you had to go.
It looked like hell. That's the only thing different. When car is done, restored, we changed nothing except for the tires. Water pump, transmission, the rear, the carb, all numbers matching. In Warwick Blue, no one really knows how many were made in this color. Okay. In the registry, there's a 69 Judge registry. There's, I believe, 12 found in this color. So who knows how many were made in this color. Okay. But this is an original Warwick Blue 69 Judge.
Wonderful, and it's in beautiful condition. Now, how many miles did you say were on it?
56,000.
56,000 on the car. And how long have you had it?
I've had it about 10 years now.
Okay. Excellent. And what condition was it in when you found it?
I bought it almost done. It was painted, interior was done. I did some stuff to the engine, some stuff underneath. About a year's worth of work to make it as it is now.
All right.
But it was very nice when we got it.
All right. Well, let's walk around it, look at it a little bit, and help people understand what a 69 GTO Judge is.
Yeah, the Judge came to be in 69, was the first year for it. It was a 3-year run, 69, 70, 71. The name Judge came from the Roland and Martin Laughing TV show. Here Comes the Judge. That's where it came from.
Right on.
And there was like a 60s psychedelic. That's why they got the stickers to look like that and the stripes. All the Judges had that.
Right on. Now, what were the engine options in 69?
Yeah, 2 engine options for the Judge, Ram Air 3 and Ram Air 4. This is a Ram Air 3 car.
Okay, and what's the difference between Ram Air 3 and 4?
Ram Air 3 was a more streetable engine. It was rated 4 horsepower less, but in reality, the Ram Air 4 was a pretty stout engine on the race side of what people had back then. And it was a lot faster than the Ram Air 3. A lot more rare too, which is an expensive option.
Right, it was a pricey option?
Right, and you had to buy a 390 or 430 rear too.
I see, okay. But otherwise, pretty much the same, I guess.
Yeah, otherwise it's pretty much the same. There's the interior.
Okay,
it's the original blue interior car. No console.
Buckets.
AM radio. No power brakes, and it has power steering.
Wow. Now, how much of this interior did you have to redo?
The seats and the dash. Door panels are still original.
Oh, wow. Well, they're in beautiful shape. And it has the crank windows.
Windows, yep.
Everything you want and nothing you don't want. See? It's perfect. And there's the knob under there for the Ram Air to open and close.
That's correct. It opens and closes the Ram Air scoops.
And that's on the...
That's on the hood. Yep.
Let's have a look at that real quick, just so I can show people how that worked.
That's the Ram Air pan.
Okay.
You pull the hood down a little bit, and you can see it in here, come around the front.
Okay.
And that's the openings for the Ram Air.
Right there it is. And they just had a little door that opened and closed.
That's it.
And so what is this foam? How does this foam work?
The foam. When you close the hood, it forms a gasket for the Ram Air. So it keeps, in theory, it keeps the engine heat from getting into the Ram Air.
Got it. Okay. It makes perfect sense.
And this, talk about this model.
Kidding me?
No. I look at it, I tell people, I go, oh no, it's just like it. No, there's my name. Frank Szymkowski Sr, GTO Judge.
Isn't that amazing? This is your car, and they made a model of it.
Yeah. They made a model of both of them.
That is awesome. I thought, well, how did you find a car that looks just like yours as a model?
Everyone asks, well, what did they pay you? I'm like, nothing.
No.
It's just bragging rights.
That's right.
We got the prototype.
I wonder if these models are still available now for someone to buy.
They aren't. I thought they would be for a long time, and probably within a year, they're completely gone.
Yeah, that's wild. Yeah. Beautiful. Well, congratulations on that.
Also, the Judges came with the spoiler.
Okay,
that was only available in the Judges. You see a lot of GTOs with spoilers, and that was only available in the Judge.
You got dual exhaust, of course. What a beautiful car.
Thank you.
Now, you were telling me the only difference that might be different from how it rolled out of the dealer
would be, it had white wall tires originally, and we put the raised white lettering, which actually wasn't available in '69.
Okay.
70 was the first year for the raised white lettering.
Okay.
So
So you kind of jumped ahead 1 year on the tires.
Yeah, I just
so to
couldn't
speak.
put white walls on the car.
That's a fair choice. Anytime someone has an original car,
Mhm.
but they make a change that's easily reversed,
Right.
I'll
Tires.
totally give them credit. That's
Yeah.
fine, 100%.
Like it doesn't have power brakes. It has four-wheel drums.
Oh, really?
Didn't change that. Because that's the way it
Now,
came.
that's one thing that surprises me. I would have.
And the Judges
not
also
guessed.
had no trim rings on the wheels. The GTOs had that chrome trim ring.
Right?
Yep. That's the way you could differentiate the Judges and the GTOs too. That was a small difference.
Interesting. Wow, that's a beautiful car. Well, Frank, thank you for showing us around. Oh,
Thank
one
you.
more thing I want to mention is you have the nose here that separated it from the Le Mans, right?
Yes. The Le Mans had the steel nose, chrome-plated nose.
Yep.
And actually in '68, you could actually buy the chrome nose on a GTO.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes, you could.
But in '69, it was this
It was
old.
all, is it called Endura?
I see.
Endura rubber, take a
Endura.
rubber.
Yep, that's right.
Oh, that was in Columbus.
Okay, we're just going to have another look at this
That was in
beautiful
Columbus.
engine
Parked up
compartment.
front. Remember that?
Yep.
That is beautiful.
Yes.
Well, Frank, thank you so much for
Thank you
showing
very
us
much.
around your car.
Barry, thank you.